Hey guys, I've never vlogged in a car before. Hi. This is my mom. So welcome to this week's video on the Daily Yeet. We are going to be vlogging. This is the theme. I'm going to be vlogging my journey from America to China, and we're going to be starting it now. So we just went to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Barnes & Noble, and we got just some last minute things that we needed. And now we're going to Salad Works because I'm getting a salad for dinner. It's the night before the flight right now. What it's like being an American who doesn't live in America, so you have to bring America to you. I know, but yeah, there's Cheez-Its. In here is a stroller for my dog. My mom bought it. This was not my decision, but she really thought it was necessary, so we now have a stroller for Poppy. So basically, I'm leaving tomorrow morning at like 6 a.m. or something. I don't know, it's really early, right? I need to pack, and you guys know me, you know I don't pack, so I am packing all tonight. And I also have to film my film project, which I should have done not the night before I leave the country, but I'm doing it, you know, YOLO. Gwen's coming over soon and she's going to be acting in it. And the whole point of the assignment is to ask a relative to act in it. So Gwen is now my relative. We are now fourth cousins. You know, we're all related somehow, you know. Okay guys, so we just finished filming and our video looks so cool.
So cool. We have made a lot of videos together in the years that we've known one another, and I can confidently say this is the best one.
This is easily the best one. Like my face is pink right now because I was so like, we watched it and I literally like, there's no words. You just need to watch it.
It's just so cool.
Yeah, we'll have it on the screen somewhere.
You'll ever see.
Hey guys, so it's about midnight and I still haven't packed. You know, just girly things. But I have edited the video with Gwen, and as I said before, it was so good. So yeah. So it's 1 and I have begun to pack. As you can see, this bag, it's happening. You know, there's still a lot. But we're getting there.
Hey guys, so this is the montage of me trying to close my clearly oversized and overpacked bag. And I also have a really bad nail, like my nail was kind of like peeling off, so it really hurt. That's why you see me looking like I'm screaming in pain, because I am. So yeah, it's obviously not working, and I give up a few times, and it looks like I'm crying, and that's because I am. And yeah, and there's just so much clothing, I couldn't fit it in, and then I had to stand on it, and here I am using a ribbon, which didn't work, and this is the face of pain.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Oh my god, oh my god. I'm gonna get it to close. I'm gonna get it to close. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. After 15 minutes, like, yeah, pretty much almost 15 minutes, it closed. So now we are getting a car. We just got to the airport. I took a shower. Just mom. So yeah, we have a bunch of luggage. Wait, I need to... So we were supposed to be boarding in 20 minutes and we just got here. Flight is boarding in 10 minutes and I haven't gone through security. This is the most uncomfortable footage I have probably ever recorded of myself. This is me running to the gate when I knew it was boarding in like 5 minutes and I knew I was gonna probably miss the flight. But I'm just so uncomfortable. This is so cringy. I am in Dallas and I got these. They're really good. And now I'm going to the plane to Shanghai.
I'm so tired. My face feels so dead. I need my moisturizer. Okay, I gave up doing voiceovers. Like, I don't even know what I was melting at this point. Like, this is just such a first world problem that I'm probably talking about. So yeah, cut to the next clip. We're landing.
We're here in China.
Hey guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I forgot to properly end it, but
What's good? Hi, the Daily Yee. I'm Celeste.
we got Celeste, we got
Nice to
Miss
meet
Friday.
you on the Daily Yee. Oh. Right. Watch Friday's video.
Yes,
Don't.
watch Fridays. Anna Martha, you guys know her from my last
I
from
literally
a
look like
few
flashback
videos ago.
here.
No animals were harmed in the making of this
video.
We're going out now. I landed in Shanghai and my friends came over and now we're going out. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if you went on vacation this winter break and if you didn't, what you did this winter break. So yeah, thanks for watching. Have a not miserable Monday. Thanks. Bye. Shut up.